Hi, I am Dr. Mac Adkins and I want to welcome you to the CD course, Certified Distance Education Instructor. We are glad that you're here and we're hopeful that this course will help you be an even better online instructor. One of the things which we will talk about in this course is learning styles. Some persons learn best by reading information. Others learn best by hearing information. For those of us with an auditory learning style, we are providing some of the information in this course through these auditory reviews. The same information is covered in these reviews as is covered in print, but sometimes when you hear something, it reinforces it in another way. What comes to mind when I say the word teacher? What are you thinking of? Maybe you're thinking of the name of a person who is one of your teachers. Maybe you're seeing an image of someone who is a teacher. Maybe you're remembering an event which occurred early in your life. What do you think about when you think about teaching? Who are the teachers who influenced you the most? Can you think of maybe two persons, maybe one from your grade school experience and one from your higher learning experience? What about these teachers was influential to you? What made them stand out to you? Was it the content they were teaching, or maybe was it the way they interacted with you or the way that they engaged you? Do you think even a good teacher can become better? We do. In fact, that's why we are presenting this course. We recognize that many of you taking this course may have been teaching online courses for some time, and yet we feel that exposing you to some of the theories and good practice of teaching online may make you as a good teacher even better. Effective teaching requires more than just knowing the subject matter. Obviously, you must know the content that you are teaching. But it goes beyond that. It goes beyond that in that you need to know some instructional strategies which you can use to engage students. You also need to understand how and why people learn. Specifically in this course, you need to understand how and why adult students learn. And we'll be talking about that very much. Here's an interesting question. Think about everything that you know. What if you were to take out some paper and write down a list of everything you know? Well, I hope that would require quite a bit of paper from you. But if you did list it, and then you looked at that list, and you tried to determine where did you learn that information, chances are you may be thinking that most of it you learned on the School of Hard Knocks. And that's true, because much of what we know we do learn from experience. But now think about the knowledge which you possess to do your job and to do it well. Where did you learn that information? Chances are that you learned that information in a formal education setting. There is a need for formal education in addition to what we learn from experience. One learns in formal education the knowledge, the traits, the skills, the aptitudes, the attitudes that they need to serve as a competent professional. And that is often much of what you are providing in professional education or higher education. Formal education is structured. It's structured into instructional units about a specific topic. And those topics all build together to build a curriculum, which is a collection of larger instructional units. The next thing which we'll be talking about in this course is how adults learn. And I think you'll find it interesting to learn that adults do learn differently than traditional school-age children. Thank you for being in the course. I'm glad that you're here.